What do a falling platform and your mother have in common? Both deserve to be respected and not to be joked about. I set up a small demo scene with a moving and jumping player and a simple platform with a sprite renderer, a box collider 2D and a ground layer. To be affected by gravity, we need to add a rigid body 2D component to the platform. But we don't want it to fall as soon as we start the game, so we set the body type to kinematic. Afterwards, we set the interpolation to interpolate, freeze the position on the x-axis and freeze the rotation. To prevent the platform from colliding with other game objects while falling, we add a platform effector 2D component to it and make sure use one way is checked. Last but not least, we also need to check used by effector in the platform's collider. Let's add a script to the platform and open it up. First of all, we need two private variables. A float for the fall delay and a float for the destroy delay. We also need a serialized field to reference the platform's rigid body 2D. Let's create a coroutine called fall. We don't want the platform to be pulled down by gravity as soon as our player collides with it, so we wait for a short amount of time first and then set the rigid body's body type to dynamic. We also don't want the platform to keep falling forever, so we destroy it after a short amount of time. To check if something collided with the platform, we use the onCollisionEnter2D method. Inside, we check if the tag of the collided game object is player and then start our previously created coroutine. Back in Unity, there are only two more things we need to do. First, we need to reference the platform's rigid body in our script. And second, we need to assign the player tag to our player. Let's hit play and see if everything works as intended. Yes! If you found my video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.